Ultimate Guide: What to do when your hard drive fails. Hard drive failures are one of the most dreaded scenarios for anyone relying on digital storage. However, all hope is not lost. With the right approach, you can maximize your chances of data recovery. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process and recover your precious files. Step 1. Stay calm and assess the situation. When your hard drive fails, it is easy to panic, but don't rush into anything. Take a moment to evaluate the situation. Is the drive making strange noises? If you hear clicking or grinding sounds, the drive may have mechanical damage, which needs special handling. Is the drive unresponsive or failing to boot? This could indicate logical corruption or an issue with the operating system. Is there any visible damage? Physical damage might need professional intervention. Step 2. Stop using the drive immediately. The first rule of data recovery is don't add more data to the failed drive. Continuing to use the drive could overwrite valuable data, making it impossible to recover. Disconnect the hard drive from your computer right away if it is an external hard drive or laptop. If it is an alternative drive, shut down your computer and unplug it as soon as possible. Step 3. Try basic troubleshooting. Before jumping to more advanced solutions, check a few things. Test cables and connections. Sometimes a faulty cable or loose connection might be the issue. Try using a different USB cable or SATA cable. Test the drive on another device. This helps rule out a problem with your computer's motherboard or software. If it works elsewhere, your computer might just need a pep talk or maybe a coffee break. Don't actually give it a coffee. Trust me, it doesn't end well. So, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 4. Run diagnostic software. Many manufacturers offer diagnostic tools that can detect errors and sometimes fix minor problems. Use tools like Western Digital Data Lifeguard or WD drives, Seagate C-Tools or Seagate drives. Crystal Disk Info Universal works for most drives. These programs will run quick tests on your hard drive to give you an idea of what is wrong. Step 5. Recover files using software. If the drive is still accessible, you can try using data recovery software to retrieve your files. Recover, a free option for basic file recovery, is a data recovery wizard, a user-friendly tool that works well for both simple and complex recoveries. RStudio, a powerful tool that handles complex recovery scenarios like raw drives. Follow the software's instructions to scan for lost files and recover them to another device or drive. Step 6. Seek professional help if necessary. If your drive is physically damaged, example, making clicking sounds, or your data recovery attempts, it is time to consult professionals. Specialized data recovery labs have the tools to recover data from broken drives, but these services can be expensive. However, they are often the best option when your data is irreplaceable. Step 7. Back up your data regularly. Once you have recovered your files, or even if you couldn't, now is the time to take preventive action. Set up a reliable backup system to protect your data in the future. Consider using external hard drives for physical backups, cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox for off-site backups. Step 8. Dispose of the drive safely. If your drive is beyond repair and you have recovered your data, it is important to dispose of it properly. You can either destroy it physically. For security reasons, consider destroying the hard drive, example, using a shredder or hammer. Use secure erasure software. If you want to ensure that all data is wiped clean before recycling, use tools like DBAN, Tarix Boot, and Nuke. Hard drive failures are always a possibility, but with the right precautions, you can ensure that your data is always safe and recoverable. Regular backups, early detection, and understanding your recovery options can help you prevent data loss and protect your important files. Good luck and stay safe in the digital world. Thank you for watching, magical friends. I hope these steps have given you the knowledge and confidence to tackle any hard drive mishaps that come your way. Remember, even in the face of technical challenges, there is always a solution waiting to be discovered. If you have learned something today, hit that like button, share the magic with someone who could use it, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and positivity. here's a special quote to leave you with. When the unexpected happens, remember, the greatest magic lies in the ability to restore, rebuild, and rise again. Wishing you a world full of smooth technology, data security, and endless possibilities. Stay curious, stay resilient, and let the magic of recovery be with you. Till next time, stay enchanted.